hold on. Let me call you back.
I made it. I made it. I've been called back. Oh!
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, sweetheart. Not only that, I'll be starting work tomorrow at Adam's Chambers.
Wow. Wow. This is nice. This calls for a celebration.
Of course.
Come inside. I have a surprise for you.
Oh.
Come. Sit down.
Okay. That? Oh my goodness. You are full of surprises.
Anyway, now that everything is over, we have to celebrate. Okay.
Thank you.
So we're going to do cheers to what? Cheers to success.
And to a happy love life. Cheers. Sir, my fiance and I came with this drink to say thank you for the job.
Yes, sir. That is why we are here with this, to say thank you.
This is not necessary. I mean, you deserve the job. Here we go for the best. And you were the best, and that was why we offered you the job.
Thank you, sir.
Well, young man.
Sir.
You are very lucky to have had her as your fiancée. I mean, you have to make hay while the sun shines. If not, another man will overtake you.
That's what we're praying for.
Praying. You see, young man, you see, God will not do for you what you can do for yourself. So I suggest you go and prepare and marry her. Or don't you have a good job?
Sir, I'm a driver.
Yes, sir. He's a driver.
A driver?
Yes.
You mean a public bus driver?
No. I work with Felinco Limited.
Okay. I see. Come in, please.
He sent for me, sir.
Oh yes, please sit down. How are you?
I'm very well, sir.
There is a saying in my place that what you eat is what your mouth smells like. Did you say that young man is your fiancé?
Yes, sir.
How did you end up with him? I mean, you are too beautiful and intelligent to end up with such a man.
Sir, he's a nice man. Our story is a long one.
Story? People rewrite long stories to short ones for better appreciation and enjoyment. Look, I'm not saying you should ditch him or break his heart. All I'm saying is, go and think about it.
Thank you, sir. I'll take it.
Yeah, you may leave.
I'm not going to allow this bother me.
Bella, what is it?
Nothing. I mean, I think Juma should go back to school. Yes. How do I introduce him to my friends and colleagues as my fiancé, let alone my husband?
Love has no class, Bella. I think I can sense what is coming. But my advice to you is that love conquers all. I mean, this boy could go back to school. But don't make him feel inferior in any way. Please.
My son, I brought this bottle of drink in appreciation to say thank you for everything you have done in the life of my daughter.
Mama, thank you very much. I appreciate it. But you don't really have to come with this to thank me. All I did it for love. Yes, she's a good woman. Eh? You don't really need to come and thank me with a bottle of brandy.
But I still have to thank you. If you didn't send her to the university, she wouldn't be what she is today. So I owe you a million thanks, and I will keep thanking you. Say thank you.
Thank God. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Ne, get your mother something to eat.
My mother, Bonya, after we'll go inside.
I know, just get her something to eat.
Mama.
Nah,
Yeah, welcome.
Tell her something for you. Mama, get to me.
Mama, how is work?
Mama, you will eat inside and one will go inside.
Let's go. I need to go and see your mother.
See my mother. See my mother for what? She was here yesterday. You could have told her whatever you wanted to tell her yesterday.
See, Bella, we can't continue living as if I do not have the interest in making you my wife.
We don't have to go through this again. I just got a new job and I need to concentrate and...
And what? Are we not going to get married?
We never discussed marriage and I'm not ready to get married now. Good night. I love him, yes. But that does not mean I must get married to him now that my career has just begun.
That is the point, Bella. You still love him. But moving out of his house will make him feel that you're separating from him entirely. Don't you get it?
Was I even planning to live with him after graduation? No. I need to get a life.
So are you taking him to the boss for lunch?
The boss said I should bring him. I'll do just that.
Young man, are you alright?
How can I be alright when this thing is dealing with me? I think I have to take my food home.
Take it easy now.
Eh?
This is so disgusting and repugnant. Excuse me.
I'm so sorry, sir. This is the height of embarrassment, Juma. What is wrong with you?
What have I done?
What have you not done? You have a terrible table manner. You just messed up before my boss. And to crown it all, you want to take the food home.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Yeah. How are you?
What is this? Don't tell me you brought the food home.
What would I have done? To allow the food waste? Yeah.
I thought the one you did back there was the highest. I have seen it all.
You come and join me.
Delia and I have found an apartment.
You did? But you didn't tell me.
But I told you when I asked you for some money.
I thought the money was for something else.
Listen, you don't need to be scared. We can still live together. I just need some seriousness in this job. When the time comes, we will live together, okay?
Bella say, if you want, I can rent a comfortable and a bigger apartment for us. We don't need to live apart.
Why do I have to keep repeating myself to you? This is your house. You have tried for me. It is high time I left.
Yes, Bella.
No, please. No room for argument here. My mind is made up. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm packing into my new apartment. Good night.
Bella, it's your house too. We can live together.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beautiful. Where are you headed?
I'm waiting for a taxi.
That doesn't answer my question.
Okay, sorry. I'm going to Bank Road.
Oh, fine. That's along my way. Hop in. I'll drop you off.
Sir, please, I don't want to inconvenience you.
Let that be my worry. Don't worry. Just hop in.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. So what's the name?
Bella.
Bella, nice name. And you're beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm Oscar, and I'm single.
What do you want to hear? You're just trying to be smart.
Oh, really, am I?
Oh, yes, you are.
Good to meet you anyways.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for the ride.
You're welcome, it's my pleasure, okay? We can see some other time. Okay, sorry, let me just give you my card. Give me a call later today so we can at least have lunch when you're free.
Okay.
Alright, take care of yourself.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Mama, I had a dream. In that dream, Mama, I saw Brochuma crying while Bella was laughing at him. I'm sure.
Call him now.
Mama, I have called him twice, but his number has been switched off.
Go ahead and call him. Hi.
It's switched off.
It's not going again.
It's switched off.
Hi. I'm worried though.
Mama, I am scared. I hope he's fine. My love, I am worried. See, whenever I have this kind of dream, it means my brother is in trouble.
My love, your brother is fine, okay? All you need is to call him. I believe he'll certainly on his phone. Just relax your mind.
But do you think it's a good idea for me to go to the city to see him? At least to check on him.
It will be a good idea, but let's wait till tomorrow, okay? If by tomorrow he didn't pick, then I'll give you some money. You go and check him out. You go and see him out.
Thank you.
Just relax yourself. I have to go now.
Oh no, stay for a while.
I will come back later. Come down. Come down.
What's that?
What do you mean, what's that? A move, of course. Do you want to counter it? Watch me. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh. Mm-hmm. I know you think you just did something great. Yeah, right.
Wait. If it's true, tell him that I'm not at home.
Why? Just tell him. morning.
Good morning, darling. How are you?
I'm fine.
Is Bella in?
Oh, no, she's not. She went out. She went to see clients.
You didn't tell her that I was here yesterday.
Oh, my bad. I'm so sorry. I forgot. Please.
It's okay. Did you cook anything? I'm very hungry.
No, I did not. So I've been busy with chores. I didn't make anything. Yes.
Okay. I'll be leaving. I'll come back later.
Alright, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay, have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye. Bella! Bella, come out.
Has he gone? What's going on? What do you mean, what is going on?
I mean with Chuma, what is going on?
Babes, can we continue with that game?
Don't tell me let's continue with the game. Obviously something is wrong. Why are you treating him like you despise him?
Wait, Delia. If you were in my shoes, what would you do? Would you sit and relax and enjoy the company of an illiterate?
Bella, for goodness sake, what has come over you? Oh, suddenly, Chuma is an illiterate and not good enough for you. Babes, I don't know what is going on, but trust me, this is not fair.
I've heard you. When you're done, we'll continue with our game. Okay.
I apologize, I'm sorry, but I don't know what I do. Anything it be, I did for ground, I'm sorry, forgive me. Nothing I talk, they change your mind.
Is it that she doesn't want to see me or what?
Before you go, there is one thing you must do for me. Before you go, show me how to live without your love.
I'm beginning to see that Bella is avoiding me.
Why did you say so?
I went to her house yesterday and her friend told me that she wasn't around. And today again the same thing happened.
You see, when I told you not to pay the rent for her, did you listen to me? You see?
What would I have done?
You would have allowed her to stay with you. And you will follow up with, got her pregnant.
Emeka, you don't understand. Emeka, Bella is sleeping out from my hand. Eh? She don't come here anymore and she don't even pick my calls anymore.
My friend, I would advise you to get ready for what is coming.
What is coming?
Separation, Chuma. Can't you see it? That girl has started seeing real men who can give her what she wants in a twinkle of an eye.
Emeka, stop this. You're making me scared.
But that is the truth. That is the truth, Chuma. Can't you see it?
Emeka, I don't want to. Please.
Chuma, you should have taken her unawares and got her pregnant before her law school. Yes. You're just doing as if you don't know what's up.
Baby, don't go. Show me how to live without your love. If you leave me, I go die. Teach me how to live without your love. To jump with the hand of me, to sleep with the hand of me.
Chuma, you almost scared me. Good morning.
What is going on?
How do you mean?
You've been avoiding me. What have I done?
Chuma, I am not avoiding you, okay? I have been very busy with work. I come back late every day. And I always have hectic day at the office.
So you're now too busy to stop by and check on me?
I'm sorry about that. I'll check on you one of these days, okay? Right now, I need to run along. I'm late for work already.
Apologize, I'm sorry, but I don't know what I do. Anything it be, I did for ground, I'm sorry, forgive me. Nothing I talk, they change your mind. Just got our love, you know, tell me why. Before you go, there is one thing you must do for me. Before you go, show me how to live without your love. I beg you.
You have not told me anything about this girl.
Okay, I am a medical doctor. And I'm single. Sitting right here with this beautiful and dazzling lawyer.
Oh, please. You're going to make me blush too much.
But you're beautiful, that's the truth.
You're being too romantic.
Well, I have no apologies for that. That's my nature.
Here we go. Thank you for the lunch. I had fun. I mean, I've not had such fun in a long while.
You're welcome.
I'll give you a call.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I'll run along.
Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for seeing.
My friend is back.
Your friend?
Yes.
Okay, go. She comes in.
Hey. What's up, girl? I'm good. Welcome. What? What's the excitement all about? What's that look on your face?
He's here.
Who? Chuma? Oh, please. Oscar. Hey. Sweetheart. Meet my friend, Delia. Delia, meet my sweetheart, Oscar. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Well.
Honey, I need to rush now. I got a call from the hospital. There's an emergency.
Okay, love.
All right.
I'll see you off.
I'll see you some other time.
Oh, yes, that's fine.
I'll be right back.
You can never get tired of kissing
I will
me.
never get tired of you.
Alright, darling.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, and you too. Let me be on my way.
Alright.
You know I'm going to miss you, right?
I'll miss you more.
You sure?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes? Yeah, yeah.
All right, I'll see you. Take care of you.
Bye. Hey, babes. What?
Don't tell me it happened.
Delia, please. Don't make me look like a small girl. I know what I want. I love him.
You love him. And you let him get you laid on the first date in your house? Bella, what is wrong with you? What happened to self-worth? What happened to self-control? What happened to women's pride?
Delia, please. You will not lecture me on how to live my life in my house. What is wrong with making love to a man that I love?
A man you barely know, Bella. A man you just met. My goodness, Bella, this is shameful. I can't even deal with this.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Why are you smiling?
I got a gift for you.
The gift?
Yes.
Where is the gift?
This is your car.
Oh, be serious. I'm late for work. Be serious, please.
I'm not joking. Here are the keys.
No, sorry. You mean you bought this car for me?
For you. Strictly for you.
Sorry. So you bought this car for me?
This is your car, baby.
Oh my goodness. Oh my
You deserve everything good. And more.
I don't know what to say, honestly.
Don't say anything.
What sort of words?
Just enjoy your ride.
Oh, thank you.
Come here.
You're just the best.
Okay, why don't you just get into the car and take me around?
You can say that again. Let's go.
All right, baby. Open the door.
Yes, Chuma.
Bella, I lost my boss yesterday.
Sorry about that.
Just that? You don't care to know why the company collected the boss from me?
Will you bring the boss back? You just heard me say, I'm sorry about that.
Bella, you're talking to me, oh.
What do you want me to do? Start shedding tears because the company collected their boss?
Bella, this boss we are talking about fed us and provided for us for 6 years.
You see? I said it. That is why it is very, very bad to deal with illiterates like you. Must you remind me that that boss fed me for 6 years? Must you?
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I reacted that way. Eh?
I am not surprised that you overreacted. That is what people of no class, illiterates, that is how they react. Excuse me.
Now I know I was your fool. You played me like a game. Now so I say thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for saying goodbye. You made me cry, but I never.
Chuma, what are you still doing here? Oh, okay. You want my neighbors to think I locked you outside, right?
Bella, do you know I lost my job yesterday? And I need you to console me. I haven't been paid for like a month now.
Okay.
And I have not eaten anything since yesterday.
Now, what do you want me to do?
Bella, do you have food in the house? Let me just...
Here.
Go out there and get yourself something to eat, okay? I'm late for work.
Bella, what is this? You now have a car you never cared to tell me.
I don't have to blow my trumpet.
Apologize, I'm sorry, but I know waiting I do. Anything it be, I did for ground. I'm sorry, forgive me. Nothing I talk, they change your mind. You scatter our love, you know, tell me why. Before you go, there is one thing you must do for me. Before you go, show me how to live without your love. I beg you, teach me how to live without your love. To jump with the hand of me, to sleep with the hand of me. You must teach me, cause I don't know how to live without your love. Baby, don't go. Show me how to live without your love. If you leave me, I will die. Teach me how to live without your love. To jump with the hand of me, to sleep with the hand of me.
Are you still here and nothing about us?
Something happened today.
What happened?
Bella now has a car.
Wow! It's good news. That means she has started receiving fat salary.
I told her I lost my boss and she didn't even bother to console me. And the most heartbreaking was that I told Bella that I was hungry. All she could do is to give me 500 naira.
Eh? Well, like I told you, you have not even started seeing wonders. Very soon, she will still stop you from coming to her house. I know that.
I think she's seen another man.
Oh, you have started thinking like I do. Thank God you have woken up. Can I break it down for you now? Yes, I see heartbreak around the corner. Heartbreak! Shine!
I don't want to lose Bella. And I'll never lose her. Never.
Eh? Well, you have to start thinking on how to get another boss. At least feed yourself. And stop thinking about someone who does not even love you. Yes! Chuma. Okay?
I mean, how do you think that a lawyer like me will settle for an illiterate bus driver like you? Hell no.
Eh? Bella, you said this to me.
Oh, please.
A man that fed you. A man that gave you life.
You gave me life. How? Are you the only person that trained someone in the university before? Are you? See, at times you need to talk with your senses. You're just an illiterate.
Bella, me, illiterate. You called me an illiterate.
I advise you go look for your class, okay? Please, stop bugging me.
Bella, it's okay, but it's very unfair. It's very, very unfair.
Have a nice day.
No problem.
Before you go, there is one thing you must do for me. Before you go, show me how to live without your love. I beg you, teach me how to live without your love. To jump with the hand of me, to sleep with the hand of me. You must teach me, cause I don't know how to live without your love.
Don't you think that was rather too harsh?
Delia, please, please. This is my life. You have no right to tell me how to live it.
Okay. Can you just calm down and let me talk?
I will not calm down. And I will not listen to you because you're not making sense. I will start listening to you when you start talking sense. Right now, you're talking nonsense.
Wait a minute. So now I am talking nonsense.
Of course, you are. Telling me how to run my affairs.
Okay. Let me take that nonsense state of mind and tell you the truth, darling. Chuma does not deserve any form of hurt. That guy has shown you so much love and care. Genuine love for that matter. Listen to me, Bella. Even if you decide not to marry him, there are other ways to go about it without hurting him.
I can't believe this is happening. Bella, how can you forget in a hurry?
Hey, stop, press up. Leave that girl alone. Leave that girl alone. Who are you? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Hey, officer, they are here. Officer, they are here. Officer, 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 they are here.
No, what is your name?
My name is Bella. Isabella.
And what were you doing there?
I came to look for my late father's friend who promised to send me to the university. But he tried to rape me, so I ran away from his house.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, oh.
Thank you.
What of your parents?
My father died while going to the village in a boat. My poor mother and my sister in the village. I don't even have money to go back to the village.
Have you eaten?
Yes, I ate akara.
Stop crying, oh. Stop crying. I'll get you something to eat now, oh. I'll get you food to eat. Just stay here, I'm coming, oh. I'm fine. You're welcome.
Chuma, I lost my wallet and I have my identity card and my driver's license inside. So I don't know if you...
Oh, I picked a wallet yesterday.
You did?
I knew the owner will come back for it.
Oh, thank God.
Hold on, let me bring it for you.
All right.
That's the wallet. Check everything. Everything is complete.
Everything is intact, complete. Yeah. Oh, Chuma, I will surprise you for this.
You don't have any problem. Even if it's not mine, I wouldn't have taken anything from it.
Chuma, thank you so much. Meanwhile, come and give me some fruits. Watermelon, pineapple, pawpaw, 1111.
This one 2 or 1?
Yeah, 1111. That's it, it's okay, it's okay. All right.
Hold on, let me get your change.
Oh, no. Chuma, don't worry. You can keep the change. Keep it, okay?
Oga Ben, leave that in. Take
Chuma, I said keep the change. I'm giving it to you from my heart.
Not because I picked your wallet that you leave your change for me.
Not because you pick my wallet, but boys like you are rare to find these days. God will bless you. Keep the change.
Okay, no problem. Okay. What do
I have to go.
Chuma. How are you? I'm very fine. You didn't tell me that your sister came.
Must I tell you everything? Must I tell you everything?
I go.
Like gossip.
Are you even sure she's your sister?
Is it your business? Eh? What's your business?
Chuma, I understand. Hey.
Hey. You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
Fine. You sold everything?
Everything. Today is wonderful. So, what about you? How did it go?
Well, I tried my best.
I knew it. I knew you have a good face. That's nice. I bought something for you.
What's that?
Look at it first. Open it first and look at it.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You like them, eh?
Come here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
They are so nice.
Yeah.
By the way, how did you know my size?
Why wouldn't I know your size? Why wouldn't I know your size? I have eyes now. Eh? Why don't you wear them to see if they fit you?
Okay,
I'm closing my eyes.
No, I'm not going to wear it. I'll go to the bathroom and wear it.
I'm closing my eyes.
It's very nice. No. No.
My dear, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Okay, so how is market?
As you can see, he's going well.
Yeah, I'm not seeing Chuma. Where is he?
Okay, he's not back yet.
Okay. Chuma, can you drive?
Yes, I can drive. I learned how to drive long time ago.
Very good. In that case, our company is looking for a company driver, and the salary is very fat.
Okabe, please tell me. I can drive.
You have the job already. See what you're going to do, eh? You'll start work tomorrow morning. Get yourself prepared. Come out very early. I'll pick you up on my way going to work.
Oh, God bless you.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
May God bless you.
You merit it. So I will see you.
See you tomorrow.
I am so happy for you.
I'm happy. I'm happy. Can you see luck?
Just like that.
You almost sold everything.
Yes, and you too. You sold everything.
Oh, wait. Let's pack up and go home. Good luck.
Good news.
Let's pack up.
Just like that.
Let's pack up and go home. Pack.
So, Mama, that was what happened.
Chai.
Mama.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God may bless you.
Amen.
Hey, I thought I have lost my daughter. If not for poverty. If not for poverty, would I have allowed that rapist to take her to the city? Thank you.
So, okay, don't worry, eh? Bella and I will be going to the city together. Yeah, she'll be staying in my elder sister's house. And also she'll be managing my small business till she take her job.
Wait, you mean you want to help us send her to the university?
Our God will make it happen.
Oh! Thank you. Thank you, my son. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Chuma, you have done enough for me.
Not to worry, eh? Don't bother yourself, you'll be fine.
Thank you.
Come, let's start going. We have a long way to go.
Let me... Let me get some fufu. Na fruits.
Mama, we'll have all those
Let me go and...
We'll have them in the city. When we get to the city, we'll eat. Don't worry.
Don't worry, I will come and see you next month.
There you go.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Very delicious.
Have you noticed that I started adding some weight?
I noticed it. And you're more beautiful now.
All thanks to you.
Oh, thanks to God Almighty.
Don't worry. When I become a lawyer, I will deal with anyone that looks for your trouble.
You want to be a lawyer?
Yes. By God's grace.
Hey. You know one thing I like about you, eh? Your passion for education. I love it about you.
I have passion for education. In fact, I was the best in my set in secondary school. I came out with 5 A's and 4 B's. Yes.
That's wonderful. You need to go to university.
God will help me.
No. If you go to university now, who will be cooking this kind of food for me?
I'll be coming back from time to time. I'll cook for you. You look so happy today.
Yeah, so I was paid today 70,000 naira.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
You're going to buy your jam form tomorrow. Yes.
Are you serious?
Very serious.
Honestly, I don't know what to say. You're such a kind person.
Hey,
thank you. God bless you.
Oh, thank you. But stop it. Eh? Always pray for me that God will continue to provide for us.
And God must continue to provide for us.
Amen.
Thank you. Thank you.
Not to worry. Can I help you?
Okay.
Come on.
You mean tomorrow? I'll go and buy my jacket.
Tomorrow, that's good.
Hey! God. Hey! Oh my goodness, I'm so happy, I'm so happy, I'm so happy.
Hey, now, I never started on the big move. Hey, look at your phone. We carry general market full everywhere. Play.
Well, I don't do it with you today.
Let me get the card way. I will take you now. Hey. Yes. What is it?
I went to check my JAMB results.
And what is your score? Nessie, You don't have to frown your face, eh? By next year, you will read well and get fully prepared. Okay? Cheer up. Cheer up, bro. Come, let's go out there.
I made it! I made it! I scored 274! Look at it. I'll just feel your legs.
You tried, though.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, baby.
Yes.
Oh, baby.
Nah.
Aye. Oh, baby. Eh? Oh, baby.
I knew it! I knew it! I knew you would make it. Yes! This is nice. This is wonderful. This is wonderful.
Thank you.
You know what? Go and get dressed. I am taking you out for lunch.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Idiot. Okay. No, you play. Let me play. No, wait, first. Try. Is it your business? Is it your girlfriend? She tried though. Who asked you?
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Can you imagine? I knew it. Eh?
Can we continue?
Let's continue. Let me finish you. Let me finish you. Wait first. This is my girl. Wonderful. Hi. Oh baby.
I see you're not ready to play again.
Oh baby. So my dear, you know tomorrow is going to be the first day you'll be in the university. So I don't need to tell you to focus on your books, mind your studies, because I believe that you're going to make me proud.
Honestly, it's still like a dream to me. You picked me from nowhere and now I am here, ready to... Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. God bless you.
I've told you, always return the thanksgiving to God. Because He's the one doing everything. Okay?
I love you.
What?
I love you.
No. I can't let this happen.
I apologize, I'm sorry, but I know no waiting I do. Anything they be, I did for ground. I'm sorry, forgive me. Nothing I talk, they change your mind. You scatter, I want love you, don't tell me why.
Yes,
before you go, there is one thing you must do for me. Before you go, show me how to live without you.
Chuma. What are you doing here? Why are you kneeling? What are you doing?
Baby, I can't breathe very well. I've searched my heart very well, but I couldn't find where I've wronged you.
Chuma, please, get up and leave. You're embarrassing me in my office. Please leave.
Baby, do you want to kill me? Do you want me to die?
Okay, if you want to die, fine, but go to your house. Go home and die, okay? Please, Chuma, please. Don't force me to call the security on you. Please.
Am I interrupting some?
Oh no, darling. You're not interrupting anything. Just some illiterate nuisance that do not know that this is an office.
Bella, that's too harsh.
Dahlia, please help me talk to her, please. Dahlia, I am shattered. I'm shattered.
Chuma, it's okay, just stand up.
No, don't get up. Stay there and be mewing like a cat. Don't leave. Get out. Go.
It's fine. That's the file of the 13-year-old girl that was raped at the barber shop. Take a look at it.
Okay, fine, but just get him out of here, please.
Chuma, can I have a word with you, please? Let's go.
Nothing I talk, they change your mind. You scatter our love, you know, tell me why. Before you go, there is one thing you must do for me. Before you go, show me how to live without your love. I beg you, teach me how to live without your love.
Chuma, do you love yourself?
Yes.
And you want me to be honest with you?
Yes.
Move on with your life. Yes, I know it will hurt. But trust me, you will find someone better. Someone who would love you for you regardless of your class. Please, it's for your own good. This is not healthy at all, trust me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry, but I don't know what I do. Anything they be, I did for ground. I'm sorry, forgive me. Nothing I talk, they change your mind. You scatter our love, you know, tell me why. Before you go, there is one thing you must do for me. Before you go, show me how to live without your love. I beg you, teach me how to live without your love. To jump with the hand of me, to sleep with the hand of me, you must teach me, cause I don't know how to live without your love.
Chuma, is this you? Why did you return?
Teach me how to live without your love.
You shall never be well with poverty.
I don't understand. Are you alright?
If you see poverty, tell him or her I said that he's going to die a painful death.
I don't know how to live without your love.
Wait.
I don't.
Sorry. You won't let me feed you?
You're so romantic. I wonder why you're still single.
Because I've been waiting for you. Now that you're here, everything has become beautiful.
Since I met you, I have known the real taste of love. You treat me with so much care and respect. I wish this doesn't stop.
I'm not ready to stop.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. This is for you.
No, you won't do this to me.
Watch me.
Please.
Watch me.
That's wicked.
Yes.
I can't trade you for anything in this world.
Me too, baby.
You're
just the best.
Chuma, you scared me. What were you talking about?
Chuma, when did you come back?
Mama, you didn't even know that he's back.
What happened, my son? Eh? Mama. Chuma.
Mama, I saw him under the tree, rebuking poverty. I was confused.
No. What happened, my son? Talk to me. I am your mother.
Chuma, talk to us now.
What happened? Talk to me, I'm your mother.
Chuma, what is the problem?
Hey! Okay, Memo. Naide Kuzioku.
I see. Someone cannot stay 1 minute without me.
It is called addiction. I'm addicted to you.
Oh, yeah? And I know what you want. I'm going to give it to you, just the way you like it. But when I'm done cooking.
No, the food can wait 5 minutes.
To get born.
No, 5 minutes, please. 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Okay.
5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Oscar.
Mom.
Where's Tina?
She's not back yet.
Oscar.
Mom.
I want to see you in your bedroom right now.
Now?
Yes, I said now.
Be back soon. Go.
Who is she?
She's just my colleague.
And what is she doing here?
She lost her mother recently, so she came here to cool off.
You're not ashamed of yourself. Mba! You're not. Now listen and listen good. The next time I see her here, I will deal with her. Rubbish.
Sorry, Mom.
What's the money you promised me?
Mom, Tina has not sent the money yet.
Can you hear yourself? Tina has not sent the money yet. You don't work, Abby. Let me have it. I want to live here. Fast.
Mom, it's my house rent I want to give you. It's my house rent I'm giving you.
Let me have it. I'll be coming back for my monthly allowance.
Mom!
Yes! That girl. That girl.
kind of a thing is this now? What kind of a something is this now?
What?
Why didn't you introduce me to your mom?
I was going to take you to her this weekend.
You should have just introduced me to her right there. I'm your girlfriend, for crying out loud.
No! You're not my girlfriend.
What?
You're my fiancé.
Then make it formal, so I will know you're serious.
I love you. I love you. Talk your own.
Stop!
Talk your own. Talk, say it.
You haven't told me why you've been smiling since we got here.
Guess. Can you ever guess?
You have been reinstated?
Oh?
Oh, I think I got it. You found another love, right?
No.
Then what the hell is it?